Good morning, class. I had finished with the poem The Children's Hour yesterday in the class, isn't it? So today I will be doing the recap of the poem again in case you've not understood. Then I will discuss the true or false which is there on page 25. Right? And I will send you the PDF and you're supposed to do that for homework. So in the poem, The Children's Hour, it was written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, right? And he was an American poet who used to write poems based on children. So in this poem, it tells us about the relationship between the father and his three daughters. Right, so the children's hour, it means the time which the father spends with his three daughters, right, and the daughters are eagerly waiting for the father to finish his work and to come and join with them. So the father, he finishes his work, right, and the children, the daughters are waiting for him in the room above, and they take him to the room, right, and they start playing with the father. They kiss him, they hug him, they don't want the father to go away from them. All right, seeing all that love and affection towards him, the father was overjoyed, he was overwhelmed, all right, and he thinks that he is not going to depart from them. Though he might die one day, he will always keep them in his heart forever. So it is there in the last line, and there will I keep you forever, yes, forever and a day. So those are the closing lines of the poem where he says that he is going to keep his daughters in his heart forever, till the walls shall crumble to ruin and moulder in dust away. That means till he is alive in the world, right, he is going to keep his daughters' love in his heart and is not going to depart from them. So that was the story. That was the summary of the poem, The Children's Hour. So please read the poem once again, right? And today I will discuss the true or false, as I said, on page 25. State whether the following statements are true or false. The poem is set in the early morning hours, so that is false, isn't it? Because it was set in the evening. That's why it is the children's hour when the father was free and he was able to spend time with them. So the first answer is false. The poet's daughters are named Alice, Allegra and Edith. So that is true, isn't it? The Alice was the one who was quite serious type. Allegra was the one who was always laughing and cheerful. And Edith had a golden, beautiful hair. So that is true. The children are quite afraid of the strict father. So that is false, isn't it? Because the children were very much in love. They loved their father very much because they hugged him, they kissed him. They would love to spend time with their father. So number C or number 3 is false again. The father's heart is full of love and affection for his children. So that is true because he loved his daughters very, very dearly. Alright, and he has said that he is going to keep his daughters in his heart forever, the love which he has for them, and he is going to love them till he is alive. So that is true. So number E, the poem paints a dark and gloomy picture of the family's life. So that is false. Because he loved his children, he loved his daughters very much, alright. So he had a very loving and a happy family. So that is false. So I will send you the PDF, alright. So please do that true or false in your exercise copy. And I will be discussing the question answers as well in the next class, and I will send you the question answers and you can do it in your exercise copy later in the next class. So today I stop here, so I will start with a new chapter in the next class. Thank you.